sightseeing up a boat, eh? Is that what we're doing? There we go.
That'll get dry soon.
So fun! So fun!
Go across here a bit.
Get down!
Hold on to the rail. Don't you move. Alright, here we go. Let two. Alright, here we go. For you!
What happened?
The kids are sitting there waiting and I'm standing here filming instead of going, oh my god.
Alright, we got one more.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
last
I
one.
put one more.
I call it my victory lap. It's all about high speed.
This would be amazing with GoPros, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Look what I got going on right now.
Yeah.
We're going to finish with a big spin. There we go, how was that?
That was so good. You got the best job in the world, mate.
Oh, it's a good living.
Apart from lifting me around, actually, but other than that, best
Yeah,
job
second
in the
best, yeah.
world. Yeah.
Alright, look at this camera. Give me a thumbs up, eh? Nice.